Gmail users have a built-in safety net that makes it simple to instantly undo sending an email, even if you have superb email habits like always double-checking who's in the to field, although you're only human. This is normal to forget to link a file or notice you misspelled someone's name after hitting send. Interestingly, Gmail users have a built-in safety net that makes it simple to instantly undo sending an email. Gad Insider has got you a step-by-step guide to unsend an email. How to unsend on mobile. Hit send on an email in the Gmail app. Immediately after hitting send, look for a notification at the bottom right of your screen that says undo. Tap undo. Your original message will reappear so you can make any tweaks. How to unsend on desktop. Hit send on an email. Immediately after hitting send, look for a notification that says message sent on the bottom left of your screen. Click the undo option to the right of message sent. A draft of your message will pop up so you can edit it. By default, you'll have 5 seconds to click the undo option, but you can simply extend your undo send window in varying increments up to 30 seconds. How to extend your unsend window. Open Gmail on your desktop. In the top right, click the settings icon. Click See All Settings. Look for the line with Undo Send and Send Cancellation Period. Use the Send Cancellation Period drop-down to choose from 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. The Unsend option in Gmail is just one feature that can assist you become a pro emailer.